Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Confirm your Voltas model and that the remote has fresh batteries, because weak power causes missed commands. Once done, make sure the indoor unit is powered on and set to cool or auto so sleep mode can engage properly. Now stand within about 3 to 5 meters, point the remote at the receiver, and prepare to send the first command. This proximity prevents signal errors and speeds the setup. You now activate sleep mode directly. Press mode until the unit shows cool or auto, then press the sleep button. Some remotes label it as night or ZZZ. If nothing happens, hold the sleep key for 2 to 3 seconds on older remotes. That forces the command. Once sleep is accepted, adjust the sleep temperature increment, typically a 1 or 2 degree climb over a few hours, to conserve energy while maintaining comfort, and make sure fan is on auto for quieter operation. Finish by confirming the sleep icon appears on the indoor display or remote. That tells you the mode is active. Once done, set the timer if you want sleep to stop after a set period, or simply press sleep again to cancel. If the AC does not enter sleep, check batteries first, then reset the remote by removing batteries 10 seconds or power cycle the indoor unit. This resolves most signal or firmware hiccups. If problems persist, contact authorized service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.